In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Metatrader 5 login and password. Your Metatrader 5 credentials come from your broker when you open a trading account, and there are a few reliable places to locate them if you need a reminder. Start by checking the welcome email your broker sent when you created your MT5 account. This message typically arrives right after account approval, and often has a subject like Trading Account Created or Account Opening Notification. Inside, you'll usually see 3 key items: your login, which is your MT5 account number, your trading password, and the server name you'll need to select inside MetaTrader 5. If you don't see the message in your inbox, take a moment to search your email using the broker's name or phrases like MT5 and account. And don't forget to look in your spam or junk folder. The server detail is especially important. Choosing the wrong server in MT5 will prevent you from connecting even if the login and password are correct. If you can't find the email, head to your broker's client portal on their website. After signing in, navigate to the section that lists your accounts, often labeled Accounts, My Accounts, or MT5 Account. There, you should see your login, which again is your account number, and the server name. Many brokers also provide a clear option to change or reset your trading password from this page. Some may not display your existing password for security, but they will always give you a way to set a new one. You can also confirm your login from within MetaTrader 5 if you've previously signed in. Open MT5 and look at the Navigator panel under Accounts. You'll see your account listed with the login number. For security reasons, MT5 does not show your password anywhere, so you won't be able to view it directly in the platform. If you've forgotten the password or simply can't locate it, perform a reset through your broker's dashboard. Look for a change password or reset password option, follow the prompts, and set a new trading password. After resetting, return to MT5 and log in again using your account number, the correct server, and the new password. Remember, MT5 itself doesn't create accounts. Your broker does. Your login is your account number, and the broker's server selection must match exactly. Keep your credentials secure and store that original welcome email in a safe place so you can reference it whenever you need.